Hello students, in chapter 3rd, our next topic is estimation or rounding off. It means to find the approx value. What? It means to find the approx value. So take out page number 29 in your book. You can see that here written rules for rounding off numbers. So see second rule, general rule. I am going to explain you general rule directly because after the explanation of general rule you are able to round off a number to the place of tens, hundred, thousands, etc. Okay. So see general rule. When we round off a number to the given place, either tens, hundreds or thousand, etc., we see to the digit in one place before either the number on the right. If this number is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to the digit in the required place and replace all the digits to the right by zeros. For example, you can see that I had written round off to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000 and I am going to solve one by one and you can see it carefully. So see nearest 10 a number. Here it is given 645 and the value at tens is 4. At tens place what is written? 4. And we have to just see the number written just before it. What is that? 5. And 5, when the digit before it is 5 or more than 5, what we will do? We will add 1 here. So 4 become 5 and the right side digit replaced by the 0. Okay. And we will write the left side digit as it is. So the round of 645 is 650. Okay. See nearest 100. A number what is written? 1578. So at the 100 place what is 5 and the digit just before it 7 means more than 5. So we will add 1 here. Okay. And the digit to the right side replaced by the 0 and left side will remain as it is. So the round of 1578 to the nearest 100 is 1600. Okay. Now see nearest to the 1000. A number is 76,523. So the at the place of 1000 what is written? 6. And we have to see the digit just before it. What is that? 5. So again we will add 1 here. 6 becomes 7 and replace the right side digits by 0 and left side 0 we will write as it is. So the round off is 77,000. Okay. Now see what is written next. Next is if the digit to the right is less than 5, then the digit in the required place remains same and are the digits to the right are replaced by 0. Okay. So see examples 1 again. See nearest 10 B number. What is written? 74. So at the place of tens what is 7 and the digit just before right side is 4. So no need to add, we will just write here 7 and the digit right side replaced by 0. It's become 70. Next is nearest 100. What is written? At 8,234. So at the place of 100 is 2 and the digit just before is less than 5. So they are replaced by 0. So they are replaced by 0 and left side we will write as it is. So the round of 8,234 is 8,200. Okay. Next one is nearest 1000. What is written? B number 4201. So the at the 1000 place, what is 4? And we will see the digit just before it. What? 2, which is less than 5. So this digit remain same and the right side digits are replaced by 0. So the round off comes 4000. Okay. Hope this is clear. So come to the exercise 3.4. You can do question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 in your maths notebook. See question number 4. I had solved question number A here. What is the question? Round off to the nearest 10 and then add. So question number A is 63 plus 77. So the round of 63 is what? 60. Because the digit just before it not greater than 5 or not 5. So we will the tens place digit remain same and right side replaced by 0. Now 77 become 80. Okay. Now add both one. What will come? 140. So your answer is 140. See next question. Question number 5. What is written? Tick the best answer given in the brackets. Here it is not given that which place digit you have to round off. So you will just round off last digit from the right side. Which digit? Last digit from the right side. Okay. So see question number A. What is it? 351 plus 306. So we will round off last digit from the right side. So this one is 3 and we have to see the digit just before it. What is 5? Means we have to add here 1 and replace the right side digits by 0. So it's become 400. Now 306. Before 3, what is written? 0 means less than 5. So the 3 remains same and the right side digit replaced by 0. So it's become 300. Add it, it's become 700. So your answer is 700. Okay. So you can solve question number 4 also, question number 5 also. You have to solve all the questions or homework that I am giving you in your maths homework copy. Okay. Thank you.